how do I get my ads to show in top placement? You would use placement modifiers. The way how you would find these is once that you're going to log in within your ad console, you would open up a campaign. Within the campaign, you would see a section that says placements, and you would check out which are the best placements that your product is selling well, that are bringing most orders under your break-even ACOS. Those are the placements that you would focus on. We never increase placements for multiple placements, but we always keep only one placement. The reason for that is because we want to have as much control as we can when it comes to placement management. If I'm doing exactly the step-by-step process, I'm logging within my ad console, I'm opening up the campaign, I'm opening up the bid adjustment section, I'm looking at the placement, and in the placement section, I'm seeing the top of search is performing best for me. It had 20 plus order. The rest, it had 20 plus order, but 20% ACOS. The rest of the placement had less amount of orders at higher ACOS or even lower ACOS, but not as many orders. Then what you would be doing, you are taking top of search placement, and then we would add additionally 50, 100, 200%, whatever you're comfortable with and makes sense for you. Do check in the next 2 to 3 days that actually happen within your account, because there's no guarantee that the moment that you're going to increase your placement modifiers on specific placements, you are actually going to get more eyeballs to that placement. Whenever we are going through our daily optimization, like the daily history log process, which basically on our end means that we're checking in on the account, seeing if everything still works and if any new campaigns were created or any campaigns where we added specific placements, we're looking, did I move the needle? Did the 100% placement modifier I just placed yesterday, did I got more traction for that particular placement? If it did not, it means that it was not successful. So what we're going to do is, if you're comfortable with the ACOS and it's below your expected ACOS or break-even ACOS, you would increase even more placement. The goal is that we are going to increase orders for that placement while keeping around the same ACOS.